The biggest challenge that brought me here was that I knew there were safety issues and there were concerns, and they had been going on for a while, like taking medication, safety, following kitchen fires. And both of my parents had lack of insight and weren't open to any help, and I was unaware of really their finances, their legal documentation, and it was an emotionally charged situation with family dynamics, so I just kind of felt paralyzed and needed help getting started and knowing where to go and how to do that. When I first came here and met with Christina, I felt she was very professional, knowledgeable, competent. She had a perspective from both sides, a professional working in the environments and also things that she had gone through. So I felt in that sense she gave a more objective perspective from both sides, and then also gave a lot more caring concern. And because of all of that together, she earned my trust, which was very important at that stage and allowed me to go forward. Initially, they helped me assess get assessed legal documents and our finances, so we knew what we had and what we didn't have and where we could go forward from there. They helped give me immediate solutions, especially in some of the wording of what to say and how to say it with my parents, so that we were able to break through some barriers. And then from there, they set up interviews with different places to go to, and they helped with the emotional family dynamics to really bring down some major barriers there, and to very quickly get my parents moved and placed in a good setting. They've given ongoing care. Both of my parents have been in and out of the emergency room, rehabilitation facilities several times. They've continued to assess the assisted living where they are staying and make sure that they're getting the care that they should be getting, and then also to look to further things that we may need to deal with in the future. I think the most helpful thing was on the initial visit, they gave us some wording, phraseology to help us address immediately getting the keys from my stepfather for not driving, because the doctor told him he couldn't drive, but he was anyway. And there was some very effective phraseology that we were able to use. The other thing would be the family dynamics and the emotional piece, breaking through some barriers and then getting things to happen pretty quickly so that they were in a safe environment. My parents have gone in and out of the emergency room into rehab, so we've had to find different facilities, deal with different situations. So they've been continually helpful on an ongoing basis, and I think just to me, I'm extremely grateful because I feel like I have this backup support, and sometimes facilities don't hear things through me as well as they do another professional, and I've been able to speak with a more powerful voice as I've learned and things have gone on, but I've also felt that I've had them backing me up, which has made, I believe, a tremendous difference in the quality of care that they've gotten along the way. I am continually telling people about it because they've been so helpful to me, and because it's been all consuming. It seems like it's a major topic of my life with other people. So it comes up quite a bit, and I just tell them, I mean, when they throw out situations, what Care Connect has done to help me in each of those areas. And I think there are a lot of emotional dynamics that people don't know how to deal with. There's a lot of they don't know the resources available, they don't know who's trustworthy, and they don't know where to begin and what direction to go. So, I mean, there's just numerous different struggles that I believe Care Connect can help with and have helped me with. So I'm continually telling people.